Hi there, everybody. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and welcome to day 7 of getting digitally organized. I have our resident guru from Digital Life Cloud, Bob Hammer. Welcome again.
Hi, Dorothy.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great today.
Today we're talking about storage units, in my case anyway, because I have a client who said, all right, Dorothy, I'm so excited. We need to go clear the storage unit, not all of it, but find a few things and clear some other things out. And I know exactly where the key is. And I said, really? So she said, yeah, if you go into the dining room area and go to the top drawer, pull it out, and then you'll see the keys right in the top. And she was so excited because she knew where it was and it was so wonderful. And then I said, okay, great. Where's the address and where's the code to get in? And she went, she didn't know where it was. So she's like, well, it could be in the office, but we were there last month, so the paperwork could be in the car. I'm not sure. And then and she listed about 3 or 4 places where that paperwork could be, even though she had the keys. So what I want to know is, in terms of finding things, whether it's a storage unit or anything around the house, what have you got that works for you digitally?
Well, as far as the storage unit, and I don't know if everyone who's watching this video has seen some of the other ones we did, but you probably are familiar at this point with the various ways I use locator lists. You might remember we found the Beanie Babies in my garage that way. So there's nothing really too innovative or exciting there. You just have a locator list, the form, and you store it where you know you can find it. And you'll have the contract to the thing. You'll have an authorization to enter form signed for other people. There's lots of things you can do to make that really streamlined. But you bring up a good point, Dorothy, and that is, how do you find things easily? And we've talked a lot so far about the smart forms in Digital Life Cloud. And one that I really love is one that helps you find things in the home. Uh, Back to that pet sitter, it could be a house sitter. They're going to be living in your home for a while, even though it's maybe for just a few hours. And what do you want to tell them about where things are and what to do? So I'm going to show you the locator lists that we have uh, put together for my home. And I put it under where things are in the home. Nice title.
Oh, I like it. And can I just ask you, I
Yes.
do have some clients who have Airbnbs,
Hmm.
and this seems to me like it would work to have this kind of information stored in the home. Item look,
Absolutely.
right?
Yes, yes. You could have a couple lines where you could say where things are here, there, and everywhere. So that would be great for an Airbnb because here is the location of household items.
Okay.
And again, why reinvent the wheel? Lots of people have thought about what is it we need? Where are the board games? Kitchen, garage cabinet, circuit breakers, that's important. Laundry detergent, you sort of get the idea.
Light bulbs, always. That's the big one.
Yeah, above the pantry and in the garage cabinet next to Lynn's car. Couldn't be more specific than that.
Perfect.
So absolutely is a great form, easy to use and fill out. And the other one that is very helpful is location of emergency things. Again, these people are taking care of your home. So we have an earthquake kit in the garage. We have water there for the fire extinguisher, one in the kitchen. You sort of get the idea how to shut off the gas meters,
That
the
one would be for
electrical.
me. That would be for me no matter what. I
Yeah.
swear to you, wherever I live, no matter who I ask, and they show me, including my husband, he has shown me multiple times where
Hmm.
these shut off valves are,
Yeah.
electrical and water, and
Hmm.
never do I remember. Never.
Well, this is a great form to just have pre-filled out. Again, you can print it out and keep it in your kitchen or at some other place in your home. You don't have to always run around to find the computer or the laptop and look it up. I have nothing wrong. I have nothing against paper, Dorothy. I think paper is our friend.
Well, I'm glad to hear that because we are still not a paperless society, although we are transitioning so much more into the digital world, which is why I love this digital
Mhm.
challenge. Let me give everybody just one tip before we head out from storage units and where to find things. But in terms of a storage unit, I do want you to consider keeping your storage unit items all together. So if it's the contract, the code, the address, and the keys, make sure that they're all together in one spot. So maybe you'll keep it in a little cabinet. And if you do, go ahead and use a hook and put those keys right inside the cabinet so that you can find them each and every time, right along with all the rest of that information. So keep like with like is the moral of this story. So Bob, thank you for showing us what you
Welcome.
did today. And of course, we'll be back tomorrow to talk about caring for somebody else and how we can do that digitally. Thanks, everybody.